kuilima KaʻŌhao.
Welcome back, KaʻŌhao. Thank you for assembling for another marvelous episode. The third trimester Infinity Gauntlet drops in earnest this Spirit Week.
Assemble, young Avengers. Don't sweat the test. Suit up and dress for success.
Keep dreaming of greatness and channel your inner Einstein.
Hey, Trip, I think I finally figured out what Mr. Brad was saying about Einstein's theory of special relativity.
It's about time. Speaking of time, it's time we check in with our newest recruits, Briella and Walker, to pace out our dates and deets.
Aloha and salutations to everyone involved in our Purple Ribbon Day celebration. Honorifics to all patriotic Ohana who bravely serve our country. We salute you. The fourth graders are pedaling their success cycles to the next milestone in our final trimester. They might want to upgrade their front fork suspension though, as on Monday, April 14th, they will begin their 3-day inter-island field trip to the Big Island. But most importantly, do not forget or neglect your bedtime. On Sunday, the 13th, all fourth graders are to punctually assemble at the Hawaiian Airlines terminal on Monday, the 14th, 5:45 a.m. Rise and shine, young Avengers. Parents, please remember to pack a home lunch for your child, for them to eat when they land. Speaking of celebrations, we are successfully cycling towards the end of the academic year, which means that a happening concert at the happening campus is in order. The Concert Under the Stars, April 26th at 3 p.m. with performances by Penny Dean and Jason Lahea and a surprise headliner. And remember, for those about to rock, we salute you. This is Walker signing off.
Due to the news team, Briella here with you with Where in Kailua, where we test your location awareness and geo-positioning, or as Mr. Brad would acronymize, your LAG. Our previous 2 installments oriented you to temple, community services, and centers by referencing one of Kailua's many conveniently located conveniences. The news team would prescribe getting ambulatory by crossing the crosswalk from this particular 7-Eleven, as this will orient you to a temple, community service, and center. Is it A, the airport, B, Kaʻhao Marine Corps Base, or C, the Castle Hospital? Place your crypto bets now amongst your classmates and teachers, and let them know where in Kailua you think it is.
Welcome back, Kaʻhao. New to the news team, Delilah, here with your dates and deets. Why did the neon colors get in trouble? They couldn't stop glowing about their brilliance. Speaking of brilliance, let's all do our best to let our spirits, arc reactors, shine brightly this Spirit Week, Kaʻhao. I know we're all already ready for our third I Ready diagnostic. Be ready as our third and final testing window will be shuttered on April 25th. Be sure to try your best, young Avengers. I ready, steady, go, Kaʻhao!
Thank you, Walker and Delilah, for the veritable smorgasbord of dates and deets that are coming our way this, our final trimester. April and May are truly going to be an epic double feature, a blockbuster endgame.
Indeed, truthfully, could you imagine a more happening campus this spring season? A concert under the stars?
Big Island, here we come.
For the life of me, I most certainly cannot. But do you know how brand new spring flowers greet each other?
Edify me, bud.
Hey, bud.
No, edify me, bud.
Hey, bud.
No, I don't know, which is why I need you to edify me, bud.
Well, it looks like we'll be on this struggle bus for the foreseeable future, bud. Let's take this opportunity to get the success cycle by segueing to our next segment, Where in Kailua?
Oh my goodness, new to the news team Ryder here with your answer to this week's Where in Kailua.
Getting ambulatory by crossing the crosswalk from this particular 7-Eleven will orient you to the Tentable Community Service of Hospital Care at Adventist Health Castle at 640 Ulakahiki Street off of Kailua Road. So either you're inpatient, outpatient, or just plain out of patience, 7-Eleven is just 2 integers away from 911 for a reason. Remember, when crossing, to use your 360-degree vision, Young Avengers. Always be on the lookout for this special correspondence in this next installment of Wearing Kailua. And oh my goodness, it's time to crosswalk it back to the desk for closing time.
Let's stop pixel bidding and start pixel hunting in our next segment.
To the most excellent photojournalism, immortalizing all things happening on our happening campus, here's Kat with our picture of the week.
New to the news team, Kat here with your picture of the week. The spirit of coming together in unity to get things done is the arc reactor that powers both of the news teams and all of the other at our happening campus. KaʻŌhao Evotics, talented and dedicated young Avengers, led by our campus Mr. Fantastic, Coach Bay, represented by our KaʻŌhao Hana with the super-sized pushed taiko drum at the 2025 Japan Cup. Domo arigato to all the KaʻŌhao robotos that fluxed their capacitors to make the journey back to the future. Speaking of going back in time, let's take it up to the 88 and get back to the desk. Kat, signing off.
But that picture of the week was raw.
Look compressed to me, bud. I don't know if you JPEG'd that file accurately.
Har har, Mr. Stark would be proud of that pun.
No judgment. We all need to decompress.
Okay, 4K.
Well, bud, how was your inaugural shift anchoring the desk?
A most excellent adventure, bud. The next hiatus of us from assembling will be the bogus journey that might be more than my arc reactor can bear.
Indeed, bud. But bogus journeys and excellent ventures are all tests of the spirit. The news team challenges you to suit up for a spirit week-long adventure of rest, recuperation, and recreation.
Indeed, bud. Einstein does say that it's all in a matter of time.
That's right, bud. Let's cook.
Stay frosty and I ready, KaʻŌhao. In time, we'll be dancing at the concert under the stars all night.
Be excellent to each other.
Party on, dudes! E ala, e alu, e kuilima kako.
No loss, no tears. The time is almost here. I'm dreaming we'll all come true. I promise you, 'cause I can see. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes! Good one, dude. Well, gotta get back to our report. Yeah, we take you with us, but it's a history report, not a future report. Later.
Kat, signing off.
Robotos
Yeah.
and fluxed. Como arigato, Mr. Roboto. Got it.
Well, they're gonna have sticks on. Right, have you ever heard of sticks? This is technically unique.
It's a really long meaning. This is what you're referencing in that line.
Sticks is so good.
Wait, it's rowboats or
Roboto.
robots? It sounds familiar, but like.
Well, bud, how? Ooh. Oh my God! You go first.
Oh my goodness.
I ready. Dinosaur.
Let's take this opportunity to get a success cycle by say-wagging our next segment. Where in Kailua? Darn it! It's that one word. I can't get my.
Under my skin, my heart is human, my blood is boiling, my brain IBM. So if you see me acting strangely, don't be surprised.
But most importantly,
I'm just a man who needed someone and someone to hide to keep me alive.
right on set. Oh wait, yours.
No.
Wait, what? Do not forget. Okay. Oh! Where was I? I just understood that. Yeah.
Young Adventures. Adventures.
Domo arigato to all the KaʻŌhao robot. Domo arigato. Wait, it's Domo?
I say Delilah. We're the crazy twins.
The bogus journey is an excellent. Oh my God!
Robotos.
This spring season. Can we redo that?
Be excellent to each other. That wasn't even my line, you just took the line. Oh.
How hard is it to not say your lines? All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shattered on April 25th.
Machines to save our lives. Machines dehumanize. The time has come at last. Secret, I got a secret. To throw away this mask. Secret, I got a secret. Now everyone can see. Secret, I got a
Scene.
my true identity. I'm Gilroy.
All right, cameras. This is called the armpit maneuver. It's very cool.
Robotos.
Robot toes. Robot toes.
Robotos.
Oh, I can make a little pop-up and text robot toes. You ready?
Yes.
Robot toes. That's called a flop. Quiet on set. 5. Yeah, 4. Thanks a lot.
Domo arigato to all the KaʻŌhao robotos that